Hey friends, thank you for stopping by Mimi's Mixed Bag. If this is your first video, I want to welcome you and tell you that I'm primarily a craft channel, but the last day or two of every month I always share some of my favorite thrift store finds. Now this month's been a crazy month. My husband's been home with COVID. He finally went back to work this week and we were snowed in 2 weeks. So I didn't go thrifting but 2 times this whole month, and this is probably the smallest haul I've had in a couple years. And I'm proud to say that I donated back more than I actually bought this month. But I did find a few things I want to share them with you. The first thing, this metal sign that goes in the yard. It says, "Welcome to my garden." It needs a little coat of paint and it'll be just like brand new. Paid $1.98 for that. That'll be cute in the yard. I actually picked this up in January and just didn't show you because I don't normally show things I'm going to flip, but I had the best of intentions with this for Valentine's. I was going to do some kind of Valentine tablescape and thought this was so cute to put pictures of the grandkids or do something with this. I paid 99 cents for it, and so I'm just going to put it up and I'll save it for next year. I didn't get any kind of bargain on this. These are just some plastic vases from Dollar Tree that I did pay 99 cents for at the thrift store, but they were the perfect shape I needed. You'll see these again here this week or so. I'm going to do a video on some quick flip projects, things I've thrifted that it doesn't take but 5 minutes to make them over. The next thing is one of these sliding measuring spoons. I have about 3 of these, and I also have one in the camper. Pampered Chef first came out with it. Just love that if you need a teaspoon or a tablespoon, and same way on the opposite end, teaspoon, half a teaspoon, you don't have to mess up your whole ring of spoons and cups to get a measurement. For years, I think Pampered Chef kind of had the patent or something on it, but now you see them all over the place. Lots of Pampered Chef products now you can find dupes for. Anytime I see one of these, I grab it just because I like having 2 or 3 in my drawer because I cook a lot and sometimes I need more than one in one day. The last thing I needed was a bag of wooden beads. I've got quite the collection, but I just hate to pass these up. When I do run low on wooden beads, I won't be able to find them. But I got this whole bag for $1.98. I can add them to farmhouse beads. I can make them into hangers. Now the idea of all these seasonal trees are just becoming more popular. I may even save it and do spring tree or something like that. The next thing, I just thought he was so cute. This little snowman, little hanging planter. What I loved about it was the back was just total blank, and I can actually do maybe something patriotic on that side, and this side I'd have this adorable snowman with the cardinal. I paid 99 cents for this, and I will definitely be using this probably the summer and in the winter on one of my doors. The next thing, I'm always looking for craft supplies, and I found this whole bag for 99 cents were these heavy-duty cardboard coasters. They're super lightweight and they're sturdy enough where you can decoupage them, and they're just great to craft with. But once I opened it up and I got to looking through them, they're all like German beer advertisements. When my husband sees these, he may decide he wants to keep these. Some really neat ones, but my intentions was to craft with these, and I have a project in mind. My husband has a beer stein collection from Germany. He may end up claiming these when he sees this big stack. But what was neat about it is I have rounded cornered square ones. I've got a couple oval ones, and then a big stack of round ones. And some of them are just really neat, and I could just tell just based on his collection that I think these are German, definitely European advertisements. I don't know, I think they're almost too neat to craft with, but we'll see. Got that whole stack for 99 cents. The next thing was a Yankee candle plate. I think they call them trays with Yankee, but I just love this. I love the design. It's timeless. You can put it in any room, and I got it for 99 cents. These things are like $10 and $12 at the Yankee store. Just thought that'd be real pretty to put one of my jarred candles on. Now, not too long ago, I broke my soup ladle. That doesn't happen very often, but I've been kind of looking for a new one and found this one for 99 cents, and I liked it because it had the little pot rest hook on it. It was super nice quality. It looked very clean, like brand new. I know I couldn't have bought this quality for 99 cents anywhere, so I picked that up to add to my kitchen utensils. And last but not least, fall dish towel. Grateful, thankful, blessed. Cute to hang on my stove or somewhere in the kitchen this fall. Not a whole lot this month, but got some cute stuff. Just wanted to share it with you. Thank you all for watching, and I'll be back in just a few days with my last St. Patrick's Day project. Bye-bye.